Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Always Show Speech with Siri on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same with every iPhone, so it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, it is going to look the same, the settings, everything like on mine. So let's ask something Siri right now. What's the weather like today in New York?
Should be sunny in New York, United States today.
As you could hear and see, the Siri responded, but when I was talking to her, I didn't get what I was talking, I didn't get the captions. So if you want to turn this feature on, open settings, then swipe down, go to Siri and search, and then go to the Siri responses. Once you are here, you want to turn on this feature, Always Show Speech. So now if I'm going to ask her something, what's the weather like today in Moscow?
Expect partly cloudy skies in Moscow, Russia today.
As you can see, the Siri just typed what I have just said. So again, what's the weather like today in Warsaw?
Expect cloudy skies in Warsaw today.
As you can see, we are getting the show speech right now on the screen with this feature. So if you want to see it, what the Siri heard from you, make sure that this feature is on. So again, how to get to the settings. Open settings, swipe down, Siri and search, Siri responses, and make sure Always Show Speech is on. Now it's on, now it's off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!